The electric Mercedes GLA is finally expected to reach America. Its electric predecessor, the EQA, never once went on sale there. The 2027 model is electric from the ground up, not a converted petrol car. That single change is why the range claim jumps to over 400 miles. A ground-up electric platform frees up space for a big battery and a small footprint. It shares its shape and cabin with the hybrid GLA, sold now under a single badge. If a debut like this is your thing, subscribe, because that star still leads a now closed-off grille. Look past the badge, and the real story sits underneath: the battery and charging that make this small Benz a proper long-distance car. The wheelbase stretches about 2.5 inches, yet it still parks as a subcompact. Range and charging rewrite the whole story here. The one to buy, the 250 Plus, runs the big 85 kilowatt-hour pack. The familiar shape stays clean. It uses an 800-volt system, and at the right charger, up to 320 kilowatts. That is seriously quick charging for a small car. Those wheels hide the story underneath. The payoff on a long drive, far fewer stops. Built for real distance. This rear-drive version makes 268 horsepower. A dual-motor version adds all-wheel drive. Up front, slim headlights frame the star and mark this out as the electric one. The sealed nose is about airflow. At a proper charger, 10 to 80% takes about 22 minutes, barely a coffee stop. One honest catch: that 400-mile figure is Europe's best case, not an American sticker. The real number is lower. Inside, the cabin is shared with the hybrid, a modern layout with a low console and real switches. The three-pointed star sits dead center on the wheel, with the important controls kept close. Materials feel a clear step above the price bracket. Soft where your hands land, solid on the switches you use most. The central screen runs Mercedes' newest software. Navigation plans charging stops around real range, not the best case. Everyday apps and voice control are baked in, and it learns your routine, from your usual route to your seat and climate. None of this feels like a stripped-out small car, which is the whole point of the electric base. Twin displays stretch across the dash, one for driving, one for everything else. In the back, the longer wheelbase adds a little room, though taller passengers will still brush the roof, because this stays a compact SUV. Red stitching lifts the mood, and the bench splits and folds when you need the space. For two adults, it is comfortable. For a family, it works. Just do not expect limousine legroom. The boot is a sensible size, easy for a big shop or a couple of weekend bags. Two real catches: that fast charging needs a fast charger nearby, and the entry model drops to a smaller battery. The Audi Q4 e-tron costs more, charges slower, and goes less far. The Volvo EX30 is cheaper but smaller. The pick is the 250 Plus, expected near $45,000. Unsure about going electric? The hybrid GLA is next.